Ready to amplify your message for Christ? Discover our 30-day Christian YouTube growth action plan. I created this 30-day action plan for the group Digital Disciples. You can check them out. Here, masterhomebiz.com/digital disciples. Build on clarity, consistency, community, and spiritual alignment. These foundations drive genuine growth. Define your calling, optimize your channel, create engaging content, and deeply connect. Pray through it all. Check out the full 30-day plan today. Link in description. Transform your ministry and reach more souls. Transform your ministry today. To go direct, masterhomebiz.com/30-day YouTube growth plan. If you would like to receive an email notification when I upload a new video, go to masterhomebiz.com/sendsteed. Like and subscribe, please.